I'm gonna start a mini series, another mini series. I have multiple mini series going on my TikTok page. A few days ago, Yarmerepa, I'm not talking for no reason. There's a few reasons why what I do. Right? Pubu in Majo. Gun Bible. Yum key. But because I'm on a decolonizer journey, I decolonized that boo-boo method. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's all right. But a few months ago, yarmere kananagan anagan karchino kabele ngayim pamaliawage. So listen, when we put English language to it, okay, kabel, wuno, lokajin ma pele, black magic, white magic. The best way to combat black magic is with white magic. Wuno, okay? Wuno and mago. And yes, of course, and Ewor Unin comment section layout, but this is not what God wanted. But listen, that's your kaboom. Ako mo katajan ayar karledok Bible Christianity, we had our own kaboom. That's what I'm on. If you know, you know. Colonial history. I had to learn how to do certain types of wuno to figure out my own black magic situation. I had to put a pause on talking about my own black magic situation because there was a lot more that I needed to know about first. That was back in May. I always talk about ever since my boo-boo passed, but when my Juma passed, because they passed within a year of each other. But after my Juma passed, it was like locked in. Like, I hear my grandma a lot. She's with me, and we work together. We talk to each other, you know? And when my Juma went over on the other side, yeah, that locked it in. And I'm on a mission that's bigger than me, but it begins with me, you know? Starts with self. And I share about my own experiences with it because I'm like a walking, breathing example and survivor of black magic kabel, you know? There's a reason why I also talk about Bible stuff and God and all this other political things, mental health, breaking cycles, being against the church, but still having a spiritual connection with the Most High. It's really a lot, and it's like a million branches that twist into one big stump. And I just be giving it by branches first, because in the end, it all comes together. So yeah, there. I'm out the closet.